Hey everyone! It's so exciting today because what I've been waiting for is finally here, and I really want to share this special moment with you. So this is it, folks. I can't believe I'm holding this right now, um, and it's only possible thanks to all of your support. When I started this channel 2.5 years ago, I never dreamt that I would come this far, but I'm happy I did. Again, it's only possible with all of your support. I dare not dream of the next one, which is a million subscribers with a gold plaque. That will take really long, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to enjoy this one right here. Again, thanks to all of you, I've managed to come this far, which I'm really happy about. So have a nice day, everyone.